Hi you guys, Molly from Molly's Artistry. Back at it again. This was a canvas that I actually loved. The issue is that I used a glue and water mix and it kind of disintegrated. And so I had to wait on this to dry, clean the silicone off of it, and I'm gonna try a pour with the same similar colors. I can't remember exactly what I used. I didn't write it in my little diary like I have been lately, so we'll see how it goes. I don't normally layer, but I didn't know if anybody wanted to see that part of it, so I'll layer. I think I'm gonna start with the light blue. I do have a couple drops of silicone in each of these. I made my paints a little bit thicker, and we'll see how this mix is going with a little bit different ratio of paint to silicone. I mean paint to pouring medium. Okay, I'm gonna try to keep my orange and my green away from each other by a layer. Even though this is a lime green, it's called Lime Tree, so shouldn't react quite the same to make mud, but just to make sure, I'll do my dark paynes-grey color next. I like the dark blue against the orange. I think it's really pretty. Goodbye, canvas. So I was talking about this earlier on one of my other videos, that when I'm doing these types of flip cups, you really want the paint to sit on top of each other, so that you can get nice cell definition as the paint falls through the layers. If it's not sitting on top of each other, you can almost guarantee that your cells are gonna kind of spread out. Okay, I think I'll have enough to go through these a second round. So for the consistency, I'm dropping more on the canvas than I am actually in the cups, huh? Save that to go back over the last time. So for the consistency, when you take your, and you won't be able to see it here, but when you take this and it's dripping off, when it drips down into the cup, if it makes a little mound, for me, that's the right consistency to get some cells. And with the pouring medium that I've been using, I've had to cut back on the silicone, because otherwise, if I put like 4 or 5 drops in a canvas this large and most of the colors, the cells will just literally go crazy. Okay, let me see here. I'll go with this light blue. I really like this blue color. Maybe I'll go to this end cup. It doesn't quite have as much in it as the other. I hope you guys like this camera angle better. My first few pours, I just tried to, you know, get the camera wherever I could so that you guys could at least see the action of what I was doing, but I spoke to some people that said that they couldn't see the actual canvas as well, and that's the part that you guys want to see, right? The art. You don't want to see my hands doing all the work. So let me get this lime green. Let me see, where do I want it? In the middle cups? Yeah. And in this last cup down here. So we'll see how these colors turn out and how my consistency turns out. Today is just an experimentation day. Something I just did right before this was varnish with some, oh, got some paint on there. Varnish, clean them with Clorox wipes instead of my regular Dawn. And I varnished with a golden product instead of my regular Liquitex product. So I did one with Liquitex, one with golden, and I'll post that video probably tomorrow because you have to wait 4 to 6 hours in between coating those. But I'll tell you now, the golden had a much more pungent smell to it that's still lingering in my garage. So I pretty much had enough paint to cover this. Okay. Oh, I still got some yellow. Let me see what cups need yellow. Try to get a little bit of yellow in each of these. Ooh, I hope I get cells, guys. Hated to waste this beautiful canvas, so needless to say, I have not been using just glue anymore. Okay, all right, let's get these flipped over. Give all the paint a second to fall. And we'll see what happens. So if you guys like what you're seeing, want more, you guys are more than welcome to fund me. Anything is appreciated to keep going. You can also visit my Facebook page. I do have an Etsy. I haven't put a lot of stuff up yet because I'm in a gallery and a store right now, so a lot of my pieces are there. But I have, my Instagram is in the links below. You can always comment, ask me any question. The colors are Lime Tree by Apple Barrel. The rest of them are Creative Inspirations or Artist Lost. I've got a yellow orange, a bright orange, a sky blue, a paynes-grey, and a phthalo blue. All right, so I think I'm ready. Let's get going. Save some of that over there. What's in the leftover in the cup? Save that. Got a little bit muddy in the cup, so we'll see what happens. My colors are pretty similar to the first one though, but a lot of that yellow and blue is coming out through there. So where's the orange? I don't know. Let me move this over. There's the orange. Ah, there you are, orange. I missed you. Okay, and I've got a little bit left over for corner. Oh, I'll probably need that on that corner right there. Let me get that orange portion. I hope that doesn't muddy. Such pretty colors. Really, it is. Okay. My yellow's definitely coming through. Almost don't need to torch. Just gonna wait. I really did love this canvas. Okay, let's get going. I think I'll go up that way first since the weight of the paint's kind of already up there, and then I'll come back down this way. Okay, I'm gonna get a stick so that I don't lose everything over there. Okay. Ooh, look at my stick. Pretty colors. Pretty, pretty colors. Okay, now I'm gonna bring the paint back to the center. And I already had the similar colors underneath it, so I'm not like super duper concerned about my sides. So, oh, said I would bring it back to the center first. Now I'm gonna come over this way. Don't want to lose all my orange. All my orange is down at the bottom for these cups. Grab this again because I'm gonna help that along right there. I'm gonna bring the paint. A little mess up there. Back to the center because I don't want to continue to lose all those cool cells down at the bottom. Just over, bring it back, bring it back. Really, really cool. Got this right here. It didn't go over the edge. Slippery little thing. Now that I'm over the edge, bring the paint back. Bring it back. Bring it back. Okay. Well, you guys, I really actually love these colors. This bottom's got some pretty cool cells. Oh, that orange just peeked through ever so slightly. Not a whole lot of orange happening. But that is okay, because this kind of yellow lime greenish, it's really cool. Let me wipe my hands. And then I'll get the camera down for you. Super cool, you guys. Really, really like this one. Okay. Okay, let me see. My camera's horrible. Let me see if I can get you in close. See all those little cells? That one. The yellow and the orange. So that's what it looks like. And I hope you liked the video. Bye, you guys.